very nice effect that magicians showed me a few years ago with folded banknotes. It involved the Queen, but I thought I'd leave Her Majesty out this time and just show the back of the new £20 note, which features Turner. Incidentally, Turner's house is only a stone's throw from where I'm living. I've been there a couple of times because they're restoring his house very nicely. He was a famous artist in England, and he appears on the back of the new £20 note. So the trick is very simply just to make 3 folds, as I've done there, on Turner's face. So you've got like a letter V. You have to have what's called a valley fold going down to the middle of the face, and a mountain fold on one eye, and a mountain fold on the other eye. And what this does when you tilt it is it gets very happy, well, fairly happy, and a bit sad. He's a rather serious-looking person, but we can change the expression just by tilting the note that's the picture of him that's been folded with his gentle little folds, 3 little gentle folds, 1 valley fold and 1 mountain fold. That's a standard picture. And he gets a bit. What happens is the mouth appears to turn down, and the eyes go lower as well. And this one, the mouth appears to turn up into a smile, or something approaching a smile, and the eyes light up by going up to the top of the head. It's a lovely effect, that. So that was, I think, the magician said it was something like the 1930s. Some French magician supposed to have found it. Much more recently, only about the last 10 years, I came across another version which they said had been invented by a Jewish magician, a member of the Magic Circle. I must meet him sometimes to congratulate him. All he'd done is, what about horizontal folds? Vertical fold is one thing, but if you do horizontal folds, does that do anything? So I've got here a picture of Florence Nightingale, which is on the back of the £20 note. Oh, there's a £10 note. Oh, well, there we are, it's increased. And this one, you don't do it up and down, which is what you're doing it side to side. I'll put my hand there to stop too much light getting in. But the effect should be that one way her nose gets quite long, as if she's Pinocchio, and the other one quite short and flat, like some people have very flattened noses. It's much stronger, actually, I found, with the Queen, but I didn't want to offend Her Majesty. So it's a nice effect, that, and it's worth trying. Do remember, these can be done not just with banknotes, but any sort of picture, but it has to be done incidentally in half profile. I'll show the Queen's face, what I mean. If I'm facing you, that's one thing. If I'm turning sideways, this is called a complete profile. You need to be 45 degrees, halfway between the two, and then that works for the horizontal fold one to make the nose long and short. There is a third thing you can try, which is diagonal folds, which changes expression in a very peculiar way, but never mind. I'll just show the other 2 notes we've got, which have got the standard one. I think the best one is this first one, invented in the 1930s. This is Winston Churchill on the back of the English £5 note, the first one that was produced in plastic. And he's looking a little bit serious, so we'll try and cheer him up, shall we? Tilt this way, and he'll almost look as though he might try breaking into a smile. And the other way, he'll be even glummer than he already is. Oh, goodness me, how glum he gets. And then the last one I didn't do before was Turner. Let's just get Florence up and running. This is not the horizontal fold, but the vertical folds to make this famous nurse change expression. A bit happier than she was a moment ago, and a bit sadder than she was a moment ago. Have a go with these, particularly the first fold is brilliant. But do remember, it's worthwhile for the second horizontal folds to have the face in a half profile, half 45 degrees, and it works very well. It's a lot of fun. Try it for yourself.